Good afternoon. It is a very happy Friday, and I'm just leaving work like...
Oppan Gangnam Style!
Here I am, again, in traffic. And not sure if you guys can see them clouds over yonder, but we're going to be playing a little game of chance. We're playing a game of can Chapperfet outrun the rain, or more like can he beat the rain home. Today's game is sponsored by Rain Gear, and I don't have any. When I left this morning, guys, they said 10% chance of rain. I think they lied to me. We're going to be getting on the highway here today in a few minutes to cover as much ground as possible before that rain hits. Because I'm just looking over there. I'm seeing it, guys. I'm seeing those rain showers. I think it's going to be inevitable, but we'll see what happens. I guess I need a merge. Camaro, let me in. Gave Mr. Camaro a nice little thank you wave. So, talk about being prepared. That I am not.
You are not prepared!
I was expecting my dad to show up today and ride home with me from work. He's like, oh, I'm just going to stay home. And then I get another message, hope you beat the rain. And I haven't checked the weather all afternoon. And sure enough, there's a huge cell headed right towards where I'm headed towards right now. Sometimes you feel like if you don't have bad luck, you wouldn't have any luck at all. But you know, it's just the worst thing that's going to happen to me today. It's still a motorcycle ride. So I hate to be classified as what everyone calls a fair weather rider. Is there something in between hardcore and fair weather? Because I feel that's where I would fit in. I've rode in the rain a couple times up to this point, but I do try to pick the days that I ride to be very low percentage of rain days. But some days, you know, 10% forecast, 20% forecast, it just don't care. Oh, wow, forgot about that one. It just seems like the good old Dyna is just attracted to rain. Find me, Mr. Rain, and I'll be gosh darn if it doesn't find me. I guess that'll lead me to the question of what kind of weather riders do I have following me here? All 16, 17 subscriptions so far? I know it's a long, slow process. I'm just giving myself a hard time. I like to think no one likes to ride in the rain. It doesn't sound enjoyable. It doesn't feel enjoyable. And on a day like today where it's 55, 55 with probably 15 to 20 mile per hour winds, it's feeling like it's in the 40s right now. You get me wet on top of that? Ah! No sir, no sir. That don't sound fun at all. Holy cow. Let's just slow down. I got to beat the rain. Wish I could give you guys a list of tips for riding in the rain, but I guess I'm just not that experienced in it yet. I guess it kind of goes the same as a car. You slow down, ride your own ride, and make sure you are comfortable in whatever you are experiencing. I know the last time I got rained on was when my father and my wife, we all three rode out to Topeka, Kansas to go to the Harley Davidson Evil Knievel Museum. I think that might have been a 5% chance of rain that day. And I kid you not, we ran into it. Not only did we run into it on the way out, but we hit it on the way back. So nothing like getting your pants completely soaked, taking some time to dry off, eat lunch. Okay, I'm dry, I'm happy. And then wouldn't you frickin' know, we hit that rain on the way home. The same cell rotated back around and we hit it because we took an alternate route home. Who would have thought? Mr. Taurus, if I get rained on because we are slowing down, I'm blaming you. Anyway, back to the rain. Now that I got off of the highway, I'm thinking we might just make it, guys. Looks like it might be more over that way. Although the radar said it's coming from that way. We shall find out. So why don't you guys go and post your tips in the rain. Again, slow down, be cautious, give yourself a little bit of extra spacing in between the car in front of you. Know that when it starts to rain, that's when it's going to be the most slick because those oils from the road are going to be hitting the surface. So just be safe out there, guys, when you're riding. It's not deer running in front of me. It's going to be rain. It's going to be cars pulling out in front of me. There's just the never-ending cycle of danger. Danger zone.
Lana. 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 Lana!
What? Danger zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got droplets. We got droplets.
Dodson! Dodson! We've got Dodson here! See, nobody cares.
I have a feeling what's going to happen. Oh, they're coming down quicker now. Hold on, get to this stoplight up here, and I'm just going to sit in the rain while we wait for the stoplight. Yep, do not go. I saw your wheels move on. I'm just looking at the other cars to see if they have their windshield wipers going, to see how bad it is. Woo. None yet, though. None yet. Rain. Rain. I don't live that far away yet. I don't live that far away, but riding right into it. Just a bug. Green, 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 green. Still just a little drizzle so far. That's definitely rain. I wish I knew what time it is, because it said 4:07 when it was going to be hovering over my house. Oh, man. If I end up getting rained on, oh, shizzle. God, freaking idiots. Anyway. Rolling into town here. Oh, I was going to end the video because I didn't get rained on, and I'll be danged. I am now getting hit with some nice rain pellets. Let's just keep this video going to see how bad it gets, I guess. Oh, so far through town, just a little bit of a light rain. Nothing to get me soaked yet. I got some spots on the visors all so far. So I could just hold out another few minutes because I'm almost there.
Just hold them up for a few seconds. Almost there.
Freaking Star Wars, dude. Can't stand that guy. This is the problem. Living in small towns. There's no left turn lanes, so it's just right in the lane of traffic. Brilliant. Yeah. Oh, and they're lost. Or is that home? I don't know. Regardless. I'm a happy boy. Yeah, at least the wind stopped as I get home. Good frickin' Lord. Where are all these people coming from? Sorry, baby. Spilled gasoline on you and got your rain on the same day. Hope you still love me. Maybe I'll buy you something this week. It's almost your birthday. Oh, look at that, another yellow light. That's red now. There's yellow, now it's yellow. Taking a little longer to get home than I was expecting. It is raining. And I am not happy. Because people are too slow. I cut it out earlier, but I was apologizing to the motorcycle. Earlier today, on the way to work, I spilled gas on her. Damn pump didn't click off like it usually did, and just splashed. And now it's getting rained on. So hopefully she'll forgive me. And I'll buy her something pretty. But I am now pretty much home, everybody. So this is where I will cut the video off today. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you liked it, feel free to give me a big old thumbs up. And make sure you leave that comment about as far as what you're writing down below. If you like what you're seeing so far on the channel, feel free to give me a subscribe. And I will catch everybody here on the dark side. Later, guys. Out. Rained a lot here. I must have missed it. Go me.